What's going on, guys? Mike here with 720 Vending. Today we are doing a restock and a collection at my hotel location. We're going to go ahead and get this opened up, get it restocked. Today happens to be July 20th, 720. Goes with 720 Vending. If you guys are ever looking for advice for vending machines, I'm always happy to help. This is a 1 week collection on these machines. Gonna throw some popcorn in here. I keep a case of popcorn in the machine. Makes it easier so I don't have to lug it around. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. If you are looking to add credit card readers to your vending machines, Cantaloupe is a great way to go. The ePort Engage is a great tool for machines. Or if you're looking to add card readers to your amusement devices, crane machines, claw machines, any kind of amusement machine, Cantaloupe's G11 ePort series is a great way to go for that one for the Pulse. Works great if you use the promo code 720 Vending at checkout. Save you some money. It is summertime, so things do tend to slow down at certain locations, the hotel being one of them. This machine still did well. Gonna throw some more Sour Patch Kids in there. They always do well. They were having a problem with the air conditioner at the hotel this day when it was being recorded, so it was really hot in that hotel. Just updating my VenSoft application on my phone. Up next, we're going to get the soda restocked. If you guys can do me a big favor, smash that like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell notification to be notified when I drop new videos. I would be very much appreciated for the support. Put a little extra light on the subject. Looks like we're going to throw in some Mountain Dew and some Coca-Cola. Tight quarters back here with this machine. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, we have a vending Discord. Links down in the description. If you're looking for anything vending machine related or advice, claw machines, anything of that nature, go ahead and join the Discord. We're always happy to help, and it's a great resource, especially if you're starting out. Now we're going to get the Coke loaded up. Dr. Pepper was fine. Diet Coke's fine. I had just stocked the Gatorade the week before. Soda side's all restocked. We're going to get onto the collection now. Make sure the machine's all locked up. get you set up there so I can use both of my hands. It's got some change in there, but the real money every week, guys, is always in the cash box. Nice little stack in there. Even a $2 bill right there on top. That was a pleasant surprise to see. Machine did $99 for the 1 week. Can't complain. Now we'll get this closed up and head on downstairs. Here we are at my CB300 I have upgraded. It has an Engage combo bezel on the front for the credit card reader, so that way I didn't have to drill any new holes. Sometimes it's hard finding the best location to put the camera. Machine's getting a couple of cases of Sprite. Patented knee split there. Getting into the vending business full line is definitely a dedicated business. I do keep it as a side job. Would I love to make it my full-time job? Yes, I would, but not at this time. It's not feasible. I do make good money with the business. I started out in full line 9 years ago. And I grew it from 1 machine to 10 now. And then I recently added claw machines. My camera did lose the footage for the snack machine behind this one, so I will give you the total that includes that snack machine as well. Got a little bit of change. This machine's always hit or miss on change depending on how many $5 bills they put in the machine. This machine tends to attract a lot of $5 bills. It did $83.50 for the week. Not a bad collection. A good portion of that was on the credit card reader. All 3 machines collected $243 for the week. It's not a bad win. For more vending related content,